This is your Friday Refresh brought to you by Collisions Auto Repair Services in Killen, Alabama. You can contact them at 256-272-2007. Are we there yet? If I heard that question or some variation of it once in the 6-hour drive to the beach, I heard it 50 times. The youngest of the kids asked it the most. The others just looked on their map apps on their phone to figure it out. But every one of my 5 have been guilty of saying it at some point in the history of car rides that we've had to endure. Truth is, I've been guilty of asking that question through the years too. I've asked it about car rides, plane trips, boat rides, and mountain hikes. Destinations, they seem to speak to us. We feel comfort in knowing that we are in motion towards something and that eventually we will reach that destination. People climb Everest to reach the summit. People hike the Appalachian Trail northbound to reach Katahdin. Shout out right now to Luke and Cam, or Jingle, for getting 300 miles under their feet already. Keep pushing, fellas. Despite the cool bumper stickers saying that says, "Not all who wander are lost," it seems we have a built-in desire to arrive somewhere. So what is your goal? What is your desired destination? And how do you know when you have arrived at that destination? Experts will tell you that you need to have SMART goals, goals that are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant to you, and time sensitive. Basically, they are all the categories that will help you answer my son's favorite vacation question. Are we there yet? Well, what was the specific goal that you had? You gotta know where you are going. Are we there yet? Can we measure it? How do you know when and if you have arrived? Are we there yet? Is it actually attainable? Is it something you can actually do? I'm a little too old and too short to attempt to play in the NBA, but I could likely set a goal to run a marathon. Are we there yet? Is it something that is relevant for you? Is it something that lines up with your life and purpose? Are we there yet? Have you decided when you want that goal to be reached? Is it possible to achieve the goal in the time that you've set? You need a time limit, but it needs to be doable. So go ahead, set that goal, map out that destination. You can't arrive at a place unless you have a place in mind, and you won't get there if you don't set the SMART goal and start to move. Are you there yet? Well, that answer is up to you. And that is your Friday Refresh.